Is your Danby portable air conditioner remote not working? Don't worry. The most common culprits are simple fixes that you can handle yourself. When your Danby remote stops responding, there are four main areas to check. Let's start with the most common issue. First and most importantly, check your batteries. Dead or weak batteries are responsible for 90% of remote control issues. Most Danby remotes use standard AAA batteries, but some models require CR2025 coin batteries. Check your specific model to be sure. When replacing batteries, always replace both batteries at the same time. Never mix old batteries with new ones or different battery types together. If your remote's display appears dim or unresponsive, it's definitely time for fresh batteries. The second most common issue is blocked infrared signals. Your remote communicates with the air conditioner using invisible infrared light. Obstructions like curtains, furniture, or even direct sunlight can interfere with the infrared signal. Strong room lighting and dust buildup on sensors can also cause problems. Next, verify that your remote settings are correct and check for any reset requirements. Double check that your remote is set to the correct mode, temperature, and fan speed. Sometimes the remote gets accidentally switched to an incompatible setting. If your Danby unit has a power cord with built-in test and reset buttons, make sure the reset button is properly engaged. This safety feature must be activated for the unit to operate. These four simple steps resolve most Danby remote control issues. Replace the batteries, clear any obstructions, verify your settings, and check the reset button. In most cases, your remote will be working perfectly again. When basic battery replacement and signal path clearing don't resolve your Danby remote issues, it's time for advanced troubleshooting steps. The first possibility is that your remote control has become defective. Internal components can fail over time, making the remote unable to send proper signals even with fresh batteries. When purchasing a replacement remote, compatibility is crucial. Each Danby air conditioner model requires a specific remote control. Always verify the exact model number of your unit before ordering a replacement. Another possibility is failure of the infrared receiver on the air conditioner's main control board. This electronic component receives signals from your remote. If it fails, even a working remote cannot communicate with the unit. Consider modern alternatives if your unit supports them. Many newer Danby air conditioners feature Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing control through smartphone apps. This can serve as a backup when physical remotes fail. When all else fails, professional assistance is your best option. Contact Danby support for model-specific guidance or consult a qualified appliance repair technician. Don't forget basic maintenance. Inspect your unit for dust buildup and clean air filters regularly, as poor airflow can affect overall performance. Remember, advanced troubleshooting requires systematic diagnosis. Start with hardware checks, consider modern alternatives, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed.